Hi, I'm Patty Mendoza, and today I wanted to go over how we can share slides with our students or participants in a training. Maybe you've created an interactive slide and you want your participants all engaged and actually moving things around the slides in real time. But how do you do that? Well, let's go ahead and create one together. All right, so I have this slide deck here that I want to share with everyone. Um, I want students to be able to create something, and I want others, once they created theirs, I want them to be able to interact and actually comment on one another's slide. So they'll have like each one, they'll be able to build something, and then, once they're done, they could actually go ahead and remove this. So many parts to this. I want them, to be able to uh, do this in real time. Now, other students can again go ahead and comment off one another's about what they see, what they observe. This to me is valuable to be able to have something like this so that my students could actually do the work in front of me and I could be able to support them as they are working, just like the classroom when we had that in. So, how do we do this? Now, this one I did share earlier, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I have it all changed so what it would appear to you when you go on. So let me go back. So if you go to the shared button, the first thing that it will look like it would be where, at the top it'll say share with people. And you could actually type in specific names there. If you go down to the bottom, this is where I always go first, the get link. I need a link. I need to share with people. So right now it's like, right now you only have it on, it's very restricted. It's where you can only type, emails, specific emails to only a few people. And not only that, it's only, you got to think like, am I going to do this all at once? I want to be able to share it differently. So you click on change. If you click on change, it automatically goes into your district, like ours, Roland Unified. They'll say anyone that has an email from Roland Unified, you're going to be able to share it with them, and they'll be able to view this. You have one more opportunity. Again, the restricted was the one, specific names. The second is anyone with a Roland, your district email. And the third could be anyone that's in another district or another employer, anyone on the internet, basically, if you're giving them that right. So let's keep it with Roland Unified for right now. So if I clicked Roland Unified, it says, okay, go ahead and get your link. But guess what? This is not enough. Remember, I want my students to be able to manipulate, click, and move and type all in real time so I can see and so that everyone can be working together. In order to do that, I have to change what they're going to be able to do. And right now it's only on view. Do you see here in the middle of the screen, it says view. They're only going to be viewers. The other is commenter. Commenter is not what we think. It's not that they're going to be able to interact. It's actually going to be just another setting where they can actually grab a sticky note from Google Slides and they can comment on the slide type thing. What we need them to be are editors. Yes, you need them to be editors. Anyone and that you want them to not only have access to the slide, but you want them to actually do something with the slide at the same time so you can see it, then they have to be an editor. And you click done. Then you'd be able to share that link. You forgot to grab it, don't forget it. Go back, get that link, copy that link. And it says right there, Roland Unified School District, anyone in this group with this link can edit. Copy that link, and then that would be for you to go ahead and share. You can share in an email, you can share in the chat box, and in Zoom. You can share in Google Classroom or whatever other platform you're using. And that's it. That's it. So if you want them to be able to interact and you created these lovely slides, then you need to make them editor. So don't forget, here's my other tip. Before you even do any of that, make a copy. I always have a copy of these things so that I could make sure that if, my original copy is saved and they would not have access to that. So make sure you name it. Is this a class copy or something so that you know when which one is which. All right, I hope this was helpful, and I can't wait to see how you are sharing your interactive slides. Bye-bye.